Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to block sender in Hotmail or Outlook email account. Friends, if you want to block someone on Hotmail or Outlook email account, then you simply need to open the email sent by that sender. Now here you need to click on these three dots. Now here in options you will find block. Click on it and here click on block again. Now this pop-up will appear and here you will find the email address of that sender. So after reading it, click on OK to block this sender. So friends, now this sender is blocked on your Hotmail or Outlook email account. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.